Listen, I don't want to go to college. You know what? My alcohol is finished. My alcohol is finished. I want to go there. I don't want my alcohol to enter inside. I know I'm drunk, but I'm not losing my breath. My breath is working. My breath, no, is working, but falling, no, because I buy alcohol when they finish. Can't finish my alcohol inside. No.